sugar content on this batch looks good. Okay.
Confirmed. The robotic arm is maintaining the fill level perfectly.
Stabilization is finished. SO2 levels are optimal.
Activating the cold soak. We're holding steady at 8 degrees Celsius.
Specific gravity is dropping quickly. The yeast are highly active.
Agreed. Ensure the pump overruns smoothly to manage the cap.
Check the density reading on the press fraction.
Looks good. Blending ratios are holding steady.
Specialized Onococcus oeni bacteria are introduced, converting the sharp malic acid into softer lactic.
The stabilized, premium-aged Cabernet Sauvignon is carefully pumped out of the MLF tank, leaving behind the heavy sediment.
Pressure is holding steady at 20 psi.
Noted. Flow rate is consistent.
Process A is complete.
Confirmed. Ready for storage.
The wrapped pallets are gently loaded, minimizing shock. A final temperature verification ensures consistency. The crude oil passes through a multi-stage filter press, removing suspended solids for a clearer, cleaner, golden yellow oil. Vacuum integrity confirmed. Nitrogen levels are stable.
Good. Logging the data now.
The refined grapeseed oil is passed through a flash pasteurization unit, ensuring complete microbial stability.
The bottles move to a capping station where specialized, non-drip spout caps are applied and induction sealed.
The stability on process B is excellent.
Agreed. The climate control separation is confirmed.
The retrieval path is optimized for the next cycle.
Good. Keep monitoring the flow rate in Sector 4.
Pallet 79, count confirmed.
Verified. Seal it up.
The departure of the sealed transport marks the completion of the secondary manufacturing phase and the start of distribution.
The grapeseed oil shipment is fully processed on line 3.
My tablet shows the inventory updated. We are ready for allocation.
High purity grapeseed oil, cold pressed for high omega-6 content. We ensure nutritional consistency from the premium Crimson Seedless grapes.
It is so light and pure, not greasy at all.
The flavor really comes through in the cooking. It performed very well.
Yes, we are very impressed with the quality. The high purity grapeseed oil is perfect for baking, offering a consistent liquid form and neutral flavor profile.
High purity grapeseed oil, a premium functional food product for health and wellness.
គ្រឿងគីអ៊ីតាន់មហាសឹងគឺអតិរថងវងបងអង្គតអ៊ីមយឺចាំជាពីនេះប្រាប់មិនស្មក្រៀនគឺថាពីពងពីទៅនេះប៊ីចឹង
Confirming the successful transformation, this high purity grapeseed oil completes the pipeline.